Hi, my name is Ryan and I'm from usedequipmentexperts.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to walk through of an 18.5-inch Bird Sod Cutter. Right here you have your on-off kill switch. And over here on this side, your lower lever is black. That's your on-off gas valve. Your upper lever is your on-off choke. Pull towards you in order to turn the choke on. Pull the start of your machine and slowly push the choke over into the run position. This right here is your control. Reverse, neutral, and forward. In the neutral position, your blade is not engaged. Right here is your depth setter. Turn this knob in order to set the depth of the desired cut that you want to use. Lift the machine up, pull this lever back to engage the sod cutting blade.